Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever wondered how to make millions on Airbnb without owning any property or having any credit? Seems impossible, right? Well, let's embark on a journey of discovery and debunk this myth together. In today's world, where innovation and entrepreneurship are the heartbeats of progress, we are constantly presented with ideas that challenge our conventional understanding of how things work. One such idea is making a fortune on Airbnb, a popular online marketplace for hospitality services, without owning a single property or having any credit. It sounds like a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma, doesn't it? But as surreal as it may sound, it is indeed a reality for some. Take Sean Rakidzich, for instance, a name that might not ring a bell for many, yet he is a YouTuber and represents a tale of remarkable financial success achieved through Airbnb without the traditional prerequisites of property ownership and credit. Sean was at one time homeless, but he picked himself up and went to work. His story serves as an inspiring example of how, with the right approach, understanding of the market, smart strategies, and effective management, one can turn the tables and create a lucrative business on Airbnb. This video will take you on a captivating exploration of Sean's journey, his business model, the strategies he employed, and how he managed and scaled his Airbnb venture. We will delve into the nuts and bolts of his operations and try to unlock the secrets behind his success. So, whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur looking for a groundbreaking business idea, an Airbnb host aiming to maximize your earnings, or just a curious mind intrigued by unconventional success stories, this video promises to be a treasure trove of insights and inspirations. The goal here is not to present you with a get-rich-quick scheme, but to shed light on an innovative business model and inspire creative thinking. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and understanding how others have succeeded can be that first step towards your own success. Stick around as we reveal the secrets behind this seemingly impossible feat. Who is Sean Rakidzich, you may ask? Well, he's the guy who turned this impossibility into a reality. Let's delve a little into the world of Sean Rakidzich. Born and bred in Texas, Sean didn't start out in the hospitality industry. Instead, he started his career in the tech space, working on a handful of startup projects. Although these ventures provided him with valuable experience, they didn't bring the success he was looking for. Feeling the need for a change, Sean stumbled upon the idea of Airbnb hosting. But there was a twist. He didn't own any property, nor did he have any credit to leverage. Yet the idea of making a substantial income from the platform was too enticing to let go. What Sean did have, though, was an unshakable belief in his ability to succeed and an entrepreneurial spirit that couldn't be quenched. He decided to dive right into the Airbnb world, armed with nothing more than his determination and a strong drive to succeed. Through sheer hard work and perseverance, Sean managed to negotiate lease agreements with property owners, promising them a steady income in return for the use of their properties. He then listed these properties on Airbnb, and the rest, as they say, is history. Today, Sean Rakidzich is a multi-millionaire, owning one of the most successful Airbnb businesses in the world, all without owning a single property himself. He has managed to build an empire that spans across multiple cities and countries, providing top-notch hospitality to thousands of guests each year. But success didn't come easy. Sean faced numerous challenges along the way, from skeptical property owners to ever-changing Airbnb policies. Yet, his determination and innovative approach to business saw him through. And now, he's not just a successful entrepreneur, but also an inspiring mentor, sharing his knowledge and experience with others who dream of following in his footsteps. Be sure to check out his YouTube channel. Sean Rakidzich, ladies and gentlemen, is a living testament to the fact that with the right mindset and a dash of creativity, you can turn even the most impossible of dreams into a reality. Now that you know who Sean is, let's dive into how he did it. At the heart of this success lies a smart and innovative business model. This business model is all about leveraging the potential of underutilized properties. Sean Rakidzich didn't start with a personal property empire or a robust credit score. Instead, he approached property owners who had vacant homes or apartments and offered to rent them. But here's the twist. Instead of becoming a traditional tenant, he would list these properties on Airbnb. This model, which has become known as rental arbitrage, is fundamentally about spotting opportunity where others see none. It's about taking something ordinary, a vacant property, and turning it into something extraordinary, a profitable Airbnb listing. And the brilliant part, Sean didn't need to own the properties to make this work, he just needed to rent them. Now you might be thinking, why would property owners agree to this? Well, Sean offered them a steady income without the hassle of finding tenants or managing the property. In return, he got the keys to a potential gold mine. But it's not just about renting a property and listing it on Airbnb. No, it's about understanding what guests want and providing it. It's about great photos, compelling descriptions, and top-notch customer service. It's about setting the right price and adjusting it based on demand. This business model has multiple benefits. Firstly, it requires less initial capital than buying a property. Secondly, it allows for flexibility. If a location isn't working out, you can simply end your lease and move on. And thirdly, it has the potential for scaling. Once you've got a successful listing, you can replicate the process with other properties. But of course, this model isn't without its challenges. It requires hard work, dedication, and a good understanding of both the property and hospitality sectors. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a business model that requires strategic thinking and a keen eye for opportunity. This model, while simple, requires a keen understanding of the market and some smart strategies. So let's get into those. Understanding the market is key to success in any business, and Airbnb is no exception. Let's take a page from Sean Rakidzich's playbook. One of the pillars of his success is his deep understanding of the target market. But how does he accomplish that? Well, it boils down to three main areas: the locale, potential customers, and the competition. First off, Sean immerses himself in studying the area he's interested in. He examines the local attractions, the ongoing events, and the peak seasons. He asks himself, what draws people to this place? When do they usually come? By doing so, he can tailor his listings to the unique characteristics of the area, making them more attractive to potential guests. Next, Sean pays close attention to his potential customers. Who are they? Are they families looking for a vacation getaway, or are they business travelers in need of a comfortable place to stay? Understanding the demographics and needs of his potential guests allows Sean to design his listings in a way that caters to their specific needs. For example, if his target customers are families, he might include amenities such as a crib or high chair. If they're business travelers, he might ensure a high-speed internet connection and a suitable workspace. Lastly, Sean keeps a keen eye on the competition. He studies other listings in the area and takes note of their pricing, amenities, and guest reviews. He uses this information to differentiate his own listings and create a unique value proposition. Knowing what works and what doesn't in the competition helps him to continually improve his offerings. By combining these three key areas of study, the locale, potential customers, and the competition, Sean has managed to gain a comprehensive understanding of his target market. This knowledge is invaluable in making strategic decisions, from pricing to marketing to customer service. With a clear understanding of the market, you're one step closer to success. But what's next? Stay tuned to find out. It's not just about renting a property and listing it. There are strategies at play. Now, let's dive into the smart strategies that Sean Rakidzich, a multimillionaire Airbnb entrepreneur, has used to succeed. One of the core elements of his strategy: exceptional customer service. In the world of Airbnb, delighting your guests is paramount. Sean ensures every guest feels special, valued, and well taken care of. He goes the extra mile to deliver a personalized experience, from a friendly welcome message to quick responses to queries and concerns. Remember, satisfied guests leave positive reviews, and positive reviews attract more bookings. Next up, unique offerings. In a sea of Airbnb listings, Sean knows how to make it stand out. He doesn't just offer a place to sleep, but an experience. It could be anything from a beautifully designed interior, a locally sourced breakfast, or even a guide to hidden gems in the city. By offering these unique experiences, Sean sets himself apart from the competition and gives guests a reason to choose his listing over others. But how do guests find his listings in the first place? This is where optimization comes in. Airbnb's algorithm, much like any other search engine, favors listings that are complete, active, and popular. Sean ensures his listings are fully filled out with high-quality photographs, detailed descriptions, and all the necessary information a guest might need. He also keeps his listings active by regularly updating them and promptly responding to all inquiries. Moreover, he encourages his guests to leave reviews, as these not only improve visibility but also build trust with potential guests. He also strategically sets his prices to attract bookings, factoring in factors like demand, season, and competition. But here's the key. Sean doesn't just use these strategies independently. He integrates them, creating a seamless and enhanced guest experience that drives both visibility and bookings. This is what sets him apart. This is what makes him successful. These strategies are the game changers, but how do you manage everything? Management and scaling are crucial to turning a profit into a fortune. Just like Sean Rakidzich, mastering these two elements can spell the difference between a modest income and a true wealth-building enterprise. Let's start with management. Sean juggles multiple properties, and you might be wondering, how does he do it? The answer lies in effective delegation and the smart use of technology. Sean hires and trains his staff, ensuring that they understand his vision and the quality of service he expects. This frees him from the day-to-day tasks and allows him to focus on the bigger picture, growth. However, even the best staff need the right tools. Management software plays a pivotal role here. It streamlines tasks, provides real-time data, and helps in making informed decisions. Now, on to scaling. Sean didn't amass his fortune by sticking to one or two properties. Instead, he reinvested his profits into acquiring more listings. The more properties you manage, the more income streams you create, and the higher your potential earnings. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but gets bigger with every roll. But scaling isn't just about adding more properties, it's also about improving your existing ones. Increase their value, amp up their appeal, and you can charge higher rates. This strategy of scaling up can significantly boost your income. Remember, it's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. Sean's approach to management and scaling is a testament to this. It's a mix of strategic thinking, efficient processes, and a constant drive for improvement. Whether you're managing one property or 100, these principles remain the same. The key is to start small, learn the ropes, then gradually expand as you gain more experience and confidence. With proper management and scaling, your Airbnb business can grow exponentially. Just like Sean Rakidzich, you too can turn a profit into a fortune. So what are you waiting for? Start your Airbnb journey today. Like any other business, this one too comes with its risks and challenges. Now let's not sugarcoat it. Making millions on Airbnb without owning property or having credit is no walk in the park. It's a journey that's riddled with obstacles and uncertainties. But as Sean Rakidzich has shown, it's a journey that can be incredibly rewarding if navigated properly. Firstly, there's the risk of inconsistent income. Unlike a traditional rental property where you have a fixed monthly income, this business model relies heavily on the fluctuating demand of tourists and travelers. This means your income can vary greatly from month to month, making it difficult to predict your earnings. But Sean didn't let this deter him. Instead, he used it as an opportunity to diversify his offerings and appeal to a wider range of travelers. He offered different types of properties, from budget rooms for backpackers to luxury apartments for business travelers. This way, he was able to maintain a steady stream of income, even during off-peak seasons. Secondly, there's the challenge of managing multiple properties. This involves everything from maintaining cleanliness and ensuring the properties are well stocked to dealing with guests, complaints, and queries. It can be a daunting task, especially if you're managing many properties. Sean, however, turned this challenge into a strength. He developed a system for efficient property management, leveraging technology to automate certain tasks and outsourcing others. He also built a strong team to handle the day-to-day operations, freeing him up to focus on strategic growth. Lastly, there's the risk of regulatory changes. Governments around the world are continually updating their laws and regulations related to short-term rentals, which can directly impact this business model. Sean mitigates this risk by staying informed and adaptable. He keeps an eye on regulatory changes in the markets he operates in and adjusts his strategy accordingly. He also diversifies his portfolio across different cities and countries to spread the risk. So, as you see, while the risks and challenges are real, they are not insurmountable. With the right strategies and a proactive approach, you can navigate these hurdles just like Sean did. Being aware of the risks and prepared for the challenges makes you resilient and adaptable. So, Can you really make millions on Airbnb without owning any property or having any credit? An intriguing question, isn't it? Our journey through this video has provided us with some enlightening insights. We've delved into the life of Sean Rakidzich, a man who has turned this seemingly impossible dream into a reality. His business model, which leverages the power of rental arbitrage, has proven to be a game changer in the world of real estate. We also explored the importance of understanding the market and implementing smart strategies. It's about finding the right properties, negotiating the best deals, and creating irresistible Airbnb listings. Remember, managing and scaling your business is as vital as setting it up. Mitigating risks and overcoming challenges is part of the journey. As Sean Rakidzich's example shows us, with the right approach and strategies, you indeed can. So are you ready to take on the challenge?